In this video, we are unboxing my order from the Happy Planner, actually 2 orders. I had ordered this box of goodies from the fall release, and then I also ordered this Essential Dates and Numbers sticker book. So I want to unbox everything, set up this one planner, and flip through the sticker books. All right, so this is the cover and paper that goes to the lettering planner for 2023. I have been having a blast practicing my hand lettering, so I was super excited to see they had a new planner for that big, and I decided I needed to have it. Also, I ordered, this was one of the Black Friday week specials, the giant mega sticker books, and I just picked this one, which was the more functional one. So we're gonna flip through that. I also ordered some red discs to go on the pink and red planner, and one of those Happy Planner mugs because I love all my Happy Planner mugs. All right, let's open up the mug first, flip through the sticker books, and then we'll set up my hand lettering planner for 2023. I have several of the coffee mugs from the Happy Planner from different Be Happy boxes, and I really love them. So I was excited to see a new one that I can add to the collection. They're just cute. I don't know. They make me happy. All right, let me push that aside for a minute and we'll look at these 2 sticker books. First up is this mega sticker book, and I'm not going to do super detailed. This one's called Fun Brights. It's a little bit more of the functional one. The other new mega sticker book is seasonal and more decorative. So let's just do like a quick flip like this. I like the sparkles. See why I chose this one. I love the sparkles. It has some holiday birthday stuff, functional word stickers, a little bit of decorative quotes, which, you know, I love those, some icons, numbers, which I have an undated planner, so I'm gonna need some numbers, letters, some florals, some boxes, coffee mugs, I love those, boxes, I love boxes. So this one was definitely my preference of the 2. I didn't let myself get both. Gotta keep it under control. Plus I love this animal print. So that's the mega one. These are always a good value because you get so many stickers in this one sticker book. All right, Essential Dates and Numbers, same kind of thing. This one I needed for the undated planner, and there's a lot of different date stickers in here, so it'll give me some options for dating my undated go-getter girl this year. All right, let's do a setup of this planner. This one is called, it's from Threeology Lettering Studio. I haven't looked into Natalie at Threeology to see what she has available, but I have enjoyed my last 2 lettering planners from the Happy Planner, so I wanted to get this one for 2023. And so basically the first one I used the first year, I was a beginner, and it was beginner practicing basically letters and basic words. And then the second year I taught the beginner lettering class. And then now I'm kind of ready for some more advanced lettering for myself. So I will be practicing advanced lettering in this planner. And if you'd like to check out my planning lettering class, it is in the planner school. All right, so I bought the pink cover, which is, this is one of the new things for the Black Friday week specials. It's a deluxe snap-in cover in this bright bubblegum pink. And I got red discs to go with it because it matches the planner theme. So I just thought it would be fun, and it doesn't have to be anything specific because I'm using it for lettering practice. So it's just fun, red and pink. I'm gonna start off by adding the discs to the cover, and then I'll add the planner into that. Metal discs are my favorite because they're shiny. I just love them. This cover does have pockets in the front and the back. So that's something fairly new that with the last round of snap covers that Happy Planner has released. They have pockets now. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add these discs on to the cover, and then I'll add the planner cover and then the pages. there's a little bio on the back about Natalie and her business, Threeology. All right, now I'm gonna pull out 1 month at a time to add into the discs. Okay, the planner is all punched in. Let's grab this extra paper. This is hand lettering practice paper that fits the big planner size, and I thought, why not? They had some on sale and it matches this planner, so it'll give me some extra space for practicing. I'm gonna see if I can squeeze it all in the back, but I'm not sure all of these pages. This is 40 sheets. I'm not sure all that's gonna fit. Let's see what will fit in here. Okay, so there's a little bit of space. Here's what I'm thinking. I'm thinking that, oh my gosh, I need to I didn't put the planner on the inside of the covers. I'm gonna have to switch this one to the front. What was I thinking? Okay, there we go. Now the cover is correct. All right, let's open this up. I want to go to the front page. So it has like all your normal planner stuff in the front. And then so this page, it would normally be your currently page in a regular happy planner. This one is like a practice page. And so since it has a practice page there, that's where I think I'm going to add an extra sheet. And I'm sure like 12 sheets will fit. So I think I'm going to put, to start with, 1 extra sheet here. So when I'm doing this practice, I'll have some extra paper for practicing in that space. So here's January practice page, an extra sheet, and then the divider, stay focused and extra sparkly. Let me zoom out a little bit. Okay, let's flip over. Okay, I want to flip through a little bit. Okay, it's like a normal month. And then good blank weeks for practicing with like neutral gray, because I use colored markers. So my pens are going to be very colorful. So I love that this is super neutral in the background. All right, let's flip over to February. February's practice page. Let's add in another practice sheet here. And there's the divider. Trust the process. Okay, March. Practice page, take it easy. Ooh, it has that red foil that matches our discs. Love it. Let me grab a practice sheet to put here. And then if I think there's space, I can add in some more of the practice paper. All right, let's flip over to April. April's practice page, extra paper. April, I can and I will. May, don't quit your daydream. So I did want to mention why I like to use a dated planner for practicing, because it gives me a space on a specific day. Let me show you. So if you're really wanting to be committed to practicing something, there's your space. Friday the 5th, practice in that space. That's all you have to do. It'll take you a couple minutes each day, and that's how you get better at things. And it can be anything you want. You can use it for other purposes, but that's why I like using a dated for practice. All right, June's practice page. Did I put one in May? Okay, good. June's practice page, manifest your vision. That is cool. I'm glad I got these red discs for this. They look really good with that. Don't you think? Look how shiny and pretty. Love that. July, practice. Progress over for perfection. August, take the risk or lose the chance. September, enjoy today. That's pretty. All right, at the end, we'll see how this fits with that extra 12 pages. Work hard, plan hard. Yes. Remember, slow progress is still progress. I love that foiling on the tabs. All right. And December, planner vibes only. Yes. Got planner vibes over here for sure. And then the back is a notes page. Let's see how that fits on the discs if I've maxed it out. It looks like I pretty much have. You could maybe squeeze a few more pages in there, but that looks like a good full planner fit. Oh my gosh, you guys, I just realized those are blank, and then the second half has letters for your lettering practice. So you could use either one or both. Okay, I couldn't help myself. I added in the lettering pages too, and it does fit. So we're good, we're good. You can add in 24. And there's still some space actually. So I added the lettering page in between the practice page and the blank page. So there's 2 in the front of each month, the blank one and the lettering page. And it just fits, it still fits. Check out my description box for the details about where you can order these products or find them in stores. And stay tuned for numbering with this planner, with this sticker book, decorating with that sticker book. And every once in a while, I'll probably share my lettering planner too. At this time, I don't plan on doing a lot with that on the channel because I'm going to be practicing just on my own time. That's kind of my quiet time. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.